I've handled hundreds of federal sentencing cases, and today I'm going to tell you the 9 effective strategies that you need to know leading into a federal case that can help you best achieve the results that you want in a federal sentencing. The very first thing that we would do is communicate with clients about the federal sentencing guidelines. These guidelines will dictate how you can calculate potential sentence in your federal case. The second thing that I would discuss with clients is reviewing and objecting to what's called the pre-sentence investigation report. The third thing that we discuss is collecting mitigating evidence. What is mitigation? Mitigation is a process in which we attempt to highlight the best possible qualities of an individual. The fourth thing, which aligns closely with mitigation, is a show of rehabilitation. There's oftentimes documented treatment, education, employment, restitution efforts that have been made, depending on the type of case that you have. The fifth thing that I discuss with clients that can help with sentencing and the tail end of sentencing is drafting the sentencing memorandum and how we communicate with the court as lawyers to advocate for you and for your family. The sixth most important aspect of your sentencing guideline calculation will be cooperation. So within the guideline manual, oftentimes what we know this to be is referred to as a motion for 5K 1.1 departure under Rule 35, early acceptance to reduce an offense level as well. There are certain things that go into that space that are far more complex than can be explained in this very short snippet of a video. The number 7 thing that I tend to discuss this earlier on as well is communicating with the court from yourself and how to prepare for what we call an allocution. So we have to start crafting a sincere, remorseful statement to the court. You need to start practicing your delivery early on, because the way that you communicate and what you say is genuinely a very, very serious thing that most federal judges take into consideration. The 8th factor that I tend to discuss with respect to sentencing and what sentencing looks like is managing court optics. So what I mean by that is presenting yourself effectively. It could be how you dress, appearing to be respectful, to show the court that you have visible, overwhelming community support, meaning getting people to show up at the court inside the court with you, whether it would be for a hearing prior to sentencing or during trial or during sentencing. So there could be all kinds of things that we can discuss. This is a really important thing that individuals forget to talk about from the get-go, or lawyers simply don't even talk about this stuff. If you think I could help you or could be of service to you, click on the link below for a free consultation. Thanks.